In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert crypto on Gate. Convert feature on Gate. This is one of the easiest ways to swap crypto without placing a traditional spot trading order, making it a great option for beginners and experienced users alike. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, make sure you have the cryptocurrency you want to convert in your available balance. If your funds are in another account, such as a funding account, you may need to transfer them to the appropriate account before converting. After that, hover over Trade in the top navigation menu and select Convert. On the Convert page, you'll see two fields. In the From field, choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. Then, in the To field, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive. For example, you can convert USDT to Bitcoin, Ethereum to USDT, or many other supported trading pairs. Next, enter the amount you'd like to convert. Gate will automatically display an estimated conversion rate and the amount of crypto you'll receive. Before confirming, carefully review the conversion details. Check the amount you're sending, the estimated amount you'll receive, and the quoted exchange rate. Keep in mind that the quote is only valid for a limited time because cryptocurrency prices can change quickly. If everything looks correct, tap one-click Convert. Once your conversion is complete, Gate will process the transaction almost instantly. Your newly converted cryptocurrency will appear in your account balance, ready for trading, withdrawals, or other supported activities. And that's how you convert crypto on Gate.